So Telugulo first film?
This is like we shot in Hindi and they dubbed in 11 languages.
Okay.
Like 10 languages, including Hindi, it's 11.
సో టాలీవుడ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఇంతకు ముందు వర్క్ చేశారా?
Yeah, I worked in few films and I worked in one Odia and Telugu bilingual film also. So I have a little bit of experience, but yeah, this is my big break. And
Which language do you like? Which industry? Or it's Tollywood or
I would say Telugu industry, because Telugu industry, it is actually easy for like different state people to come, but other industries, they don't let other state people, they don't welcome other state people that easily. I think here talent,
we welcome other states easily.
yeah. That is why I think Telugu industry is growing also really big, and that is the reason, because a lot of films, Telugu films, are remaked in a lot of other industries, because I think here talent is so important that I never felt like I'm an outsider, and everybody is teaching me Telugu and everybody is accepting me even though I'm not from here. So I think it's really good to be here.
ఓకే. సో ఒక ఆర్టిస్ట్కి వాళ్ళలో ఉండే డిఫరెంట్ షేడ్స్, డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ మేనరిజమ్స్ చేయాలని ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది. సో యాజ్ అన్ ఆర్టిస్ట్, వాట్స్ యువర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్? వాట్స్ యువర్ గోల్ యాక్చువల్లీ?
See, my goal keeps changing. So I want to do this for a certain time. When I achieve this, or when I'm done with this for a long time, I get bored of it, I want to do something else. So my thing is never constant. So I wanted to be a model, like couple of years back I did modeling. I won few pageants and I was like, it's so boring and there's no expression, no, just blank posing. So I got bored of it, and then I wanted to enter films, and sort of I kind of gave up. But while I was gonna quit and go back to getting a job, I wanted to get a job in IT because I'm an engineer, and then I met Sir, because I thought it might not work for me. So
IT?
No, acting.
Yes.
Okay. So I thought of going back and interviewing for some.
Acha. Okay.
But at that point I met Sir and I got a break.
Okay.
Yeah, I was disappointed, and I was and my brother and my dad, they gave me few years, like 2 years, to establish, or at least to have a name or a little fame or whatever, if it works for you, to check. Otherwise you come back, do a job and things like that.
So to be as a bold heroine, what kind of contents you keep? Like your courage, ఏది మిమ్మల్ని బాగా ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ చేస్తుంది? మీ కరేజా, లేదంటే యువర్ డ్రీమ్? ఆర్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్ కీప్స్ చేంజింగ్, నో? సో
not my dreams, my goals keep changing.
Okay.
My dream was always to be an actress, but my goals keep changing. So I want to do this today, and tomorrow I want to do, if I already did this, I want to do something else I want to do. So yeah. But I think bold or whatever it is, I think that is a dream of me, a very normal girl. I come from a very normal family. I come from defense background. So I think that is my dream, and my passion of a very normal girl to become an actress is that is why I'm courageously doing things. Yes.
So who influenced you much in this industry?
Influence,
or related to this?
Influence me as in, see, since I was 3 years old, I used to dance. And so when I was 3 years old, that was when I first performed on stage. And my parents, so my mom taught me the dancing, and my dad, he had a big chocolate, and he told me, if you go and dance there what you did at home, so you will get this. And that is why I performed and I won. So that is when it all started. Since then I've been learning dancing, and I'm a Kathak dancer. Yeah. And though I've not got a chance to perform Kathak, but I do very good. I used to do Madhubala's Kathak, and every tukra toda she does, and I've done that. I've done Madhuri's songs, I've done Sri Devi's songs, I've done Rekha's songs. So this is me as a normal girl who used to watch TV and wanted to be there. But when I was growing, I was understanding it is difficult and it's not easy, it's not possible. I was thinking it's not possible, but God has some plans for me, I think.
Okay, what plans do you have apart from this?
apart from acting,
Yeah.
I think maybe when I get older and when I'm not beautiful anymore, I want to become a director, and
Okay.
I wish I do, and I want to give opportunity to new talents who are from outside and like me, and only based on their talents and stuff like that. And I wish God makes me capable enough to do that.